The pastel pencils that I'm using are made by Faber-Castell. They're called Pip pastel pencils, but you can use any pastel pencil, they all work in the same way. Now the next operation is to transfer our line drawing onto our pastel paper. So how do you do that? Well, we prefer to use this, which is trace down. And this is great because you can now add a bit of weathering. One application there will probably be enough. The only exception to that rule is going to be in here in a minute. Now let's come off from here, and I think we can probably extend. That's probably as far as I want to go. And some white posters, one there, one there, one there, one there. This is attached to this bridge. That's the yellow, and now the orange. Now obviously you can make your own story up, but my story is that they're pulling into this rather attractive landmass, because that looks as though you're looking through a window, but if you put the door in grey, and maybe a little bit of ochre on top, and then the 175, it's not going to look quite so dark. And remember, the light's coming from this direction, so this will be where the shading is. We'll have it lighter on this side. And then we can finish that with a touch of 177, the dark brown. Make that just a little darker. And drag it. It looks much more realistic if you can do that. Drag it across.